We will need 1 lemon, peel off the lemon. Cut the lemon into slices. Take the slices in a saucepan. Add a spoon of cumin seeds. Add a spoon of coriander seeds. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the ingredients on low heat for 10 minutes. Add mint leaves. Mix it well. Strain it. Add a spoon of honey. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 10 days. And you will notice the difference, especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.